SCORE Phoenix is one of the best deals in town. Almost all of our 70-plus mentors have over 40 years of business experience and have had successful careers as senior officers in major corporations or as owners of their own businesses. You need to take advantage of their willingness to share their knowledge and experience to help you achieve the same level of success.
Hi, I'm Rod Houston, a certified mentor at SCORE in Phoenix. If you're a small business, we can help you to increase your profits, grow faster, operate more efficiently. We do this by providing free business mentoring, free or low-cost business seminars, and online information and tools. Now hear how we've helped some clients just like you.
For me, SCORE has been such an uplifting and very inspiring and totally encouraging experience. I first consulted with my first mentor a couple of years ago, and every single time I meet with Rod, truly, I leave with my head felt a little higher. I feel more confidence. I feel more vision. He asks me the tough questions, but in the most supportive manner. I would just absolutely recommend this to anyone.
My name's David Gorn. I have a business called All Star Karate, and my experience with SCORE has been nothing but fantastic. I was at a convention and I talked to this person who had been going to SCORE and telling me about all the great things that she had accomplished. She told me it was free, and I figured I had to try it out. So when I called, I got an appointment. I found a mentor that had the skills that I was looking for, and when I came in and we got together, we hit it off. We were friends right away, and he helped me with all the things that I needed help with. I needed help with growing my business, making more money, and those are the things that he focused on. And it wasn't the fluff, it was exactly what I was looking for. And since coming to SCORE, I have doubled my profits and doubled my income, and I have SCORE to thank for that.
My name is Emmanuel Onate. I'm the owner of Complete Cleaners here in Phoenix, Arizona. I first came to SCORE only about 3 to 4 months ago, and I was at a point in my business where I just didn't really know where to go. And after I came to SCORE, it was so refreshing. It was just almost a new opportunity for me. I think the biggest thing that stands out to me is just in these last 3 to 4 months, we've grown so much. We're now to 17% profit, so almost 100% turn, and we're projected for a 300% growth in revenue this year. Highly attribute that to SCORE and the sessions that I've had weekly with Jim. Incredible program. Ever so thankful for SCORE and all the help it's provided me.
When you're ready to grow and be more effective as a business owner, you need to contact us for help. It's easy to reach us on greaterphoenix.score.org and schedule a mentoring session or business training. Like the clients who've talked about their experiences on this video, you'll be glad you did.